In Russia, work is going on two important different COVID-19 vaccine candidates. One is, the AP Vac corona vaccine, was developed by the Vector State Research Center of Virology and Biotechnology. According to news agencies, the AP Vac corona vaccine is still going through clinical trials. The second one is, Gam COVID Vac, developed by the Gamaleya Scientific Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology along with the Russian Defense Ministry. Recent news from the Russian health authorities regarding Gam COVID Vac claimed that they have successfully developed COVID-19 vaccine and have successfully completed clinical trials. Today in this video we will see what is Gam COVID Vac vaccine, and does really Russia has won the race of development of COVID-19 vaccine? Let's see first, what this vaccine is. Gam COVID Vac is a viral vector vaccine, based on the human adenovirus, a common cold virus. In this vaccine, human adenovirus is fused with the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2, which when given to human being, can stimulate an immune response against SARS-CoV-2. This vaccine uses recombinant adenovirus type 5, AD5, and adenovirus type 26, AD26, as vectors, which will be given in 2 doses. The first dose contains an AD26 virus, and the AD5 vaccine is used on the 21st day to boost response. This vaccines developed by Gamaleya Center has been given name as Sputnik V, after the Soviet-era satellite that was the first launched in space in 1957. In May 2020, the Gamaleya Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology first announced that it had developed the vaccine. Preliminary human trials began in June 2020. Later, the Russian officials claimed that, in the clinical trials of Gam COVID Vac vaccine, 100% of volunteers developed immunity on the 21st day after receiving the first dose and immunity doubled after the second injection. On August 1, 2020, Russian Health Minister Mikhail Murashko reported that the clinical trials of a coronavirus vaccine developed by the Gamaleya Center, known as Gam COVID Vac, that has been tested in just 76 people, are over and paperwork is underway for the vaccine's registration. On August 11, 2020, Russian President Vladimir Putin announced that the country's health regulator had become the first in the world to approve a coronavirus vaccine for widespread use. President Vladimir Putin also reported that the vaccine has been given to one of his daughter, but still phase 3 trials of the vaccine had yet to be completed. The registration certificate of vaccine allows the vaccine to be given to a small number of citizens from vulnerable groups, including medical staff and the elderly, and vaccine cannot be used widely until January 1, 2021. As per Russian officials, vaccine was effective and safe, and about 20 countries had expressed interest in working with Russia on deployment of the vaccines. According to Russian news agencies, Health Ministry of Russia has said on August 15, 2020 that it has produced the first batch of its coronavirus vaccine. Still, as of now on August 16, 2020, Russian officials have not published or revealed results of all the clinical trials, and little else is known about the experimental vaccine. Hence, questions have been raised by scientists in other countries about safety and efficacy of this vaccine. Also, still phase 3 trials of the vaccine had yet to be completed, which means that this vaccine has not completed the trials which convincingly indicated that vaccine is safe and effective in a large group of people. And hence, an approval of this vaccine candidate by Russian health authorities has been considered as dangerous, reckless, and foolish by some scientists in the other part of the world. As per my understanding also, until and unless phase 3 clinical trials have been successfully completed without any major safety concerns and acceptable efficacy, until and unless regulatory agencies from other countries have all the clinical trial data, until and unless other regulatory agencies give approval to the vaccines based on clinical trial data, and until and unless it gets marketing approval, we cannot say confidently that vaccine for COVID-19 has been successfully developed. Also, since COVID-19 vaccines are being developed very quickly to win the race, I believe even after marketing of the vaccine, safety concerns may come into the notice which were not noticed during clinical trials. Hence, healthcare professions needs to be more vigilant even after release of this vaccine in market. Thank you for watching this video. I hope information provided in this video is helpful. If you still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for more such videos. If you have any comments or questions, please write in comments section. Please share this video with your friends and do not forget to hit the like button.